So this is really rare, so that's why I decided to pull my camera out. Dennis is reading a book. I've never seen Dennis so concentrated in his life. Dennis, what is it like to read a book, man? It's a what? Sorry, I can't hear you.
It's an insane feeling, you know. I'm reading about how to become a drug lord. Shout out to Pablo Escobar. Really.
Yo soy Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria.
Oh, what the fuck? Wow. No. Rose, don't leave me. Grab my nipple. I'm trying to. Bruno. Sí, venga, hagámoslo tú.
You get me so.
We made it!
You get me so. You get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so. I know you would.
¿Vas a hablar de droga al final o no?
Are you liking the waterfalls?
I don't know, there's not much waterfall yet.
Yeah.
Guys, it's over flooding usually, because it's rainy season in Bali. Usually there's less water, so we can go like stand on those rocks and stuff and get dope photos and shit. But too much water in Bali, man. We have to stand here, look like idiots, take photos. That's what we do, man.
That's what we do.
Double fact.
We're trying to look for some cool waterfalls because we don't really know where to go. I mean, it's already like 4 in the afternoon, so the light's gonna go off soon, which sucks. And I think we're gonna go to a waterfall nearby. So yeah, we're all good. Hello. We finally made it. We're gonna go down. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh yeah.
You get me so high.
Finish, finish. Se acabó. Se acabó.